Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sarah Smith, and today I'm excited to present my corporate strategy final project focused on Sony Group Corporation. Sony has been a major player in technology, entertainment, and gaming for decades, and today we'll take a closer look at its strategic management and future direction. Sony operates across several major industries, including consumer electronics, gaming, music, movies, and financial services. These industries are highly competitive, technology-driven, and constantly evolving. To succeed, companies like Sony must stay ahead by innovating, adapting to trends, and delivering exceptional products and experiences worldwide. Sony was founded in Tokyo, Japan in 1946, originally focusing on electronics like tape recorders and radios. Over the decades, it grew into one of the world's top technology and entertainment companies. In fiscal year 2023, Sony reported an impressive $89 billion in revenue and $8.9 billion in net income. Their success spans across sectors from gaming with PlayStation to blockbuster films to best-in-class camera technology. Sony stakeholders play a major role in shaping its strategies. Shareholders expect solid financial returns. Customers demand high quality and innovative products. Employees drive creativity and production. Suppliers and business partners support Sony's global operations, and government regulations guide ethical and legal practices. Balancing all these interests is essential for Sony's long-term success. Let's look at Sony's SWOT analysis. Strengths include a globally trusted brand and a diversified portfolio across multiple industries. Their gaming division, led by PlayStation, is a global leader. Weaknesses include heavy reliance on gaming profits and intense competition for other tech giants. Opportunities include growth in areas like AI, cloud gaming, electric vehicles, and virtual reality. Threats involve rapid technological changes, ongoing supply chain disruptions, and economic uncertainties. Managing these carefully will be key for Sony's future. Applying Porter's five forces model, we see Sony faces intense competitive rivalry, especially from firms like Microsoft, Apple, and Samsung. There's moderate bargaining power from suppliers, especially in high-demand materials like semiconductors. Customers hold strong bargaining power since they have many alternatives. New entrants pose some risk in emerging tech fields, especially the threat of substitutes in high, especially with fast-growing digital entertainment options. Sony's value chain is complex and critical to their success. They source top quality materials through global supply chains. Their manufacturing is highly advanced, producing everything from PlayStations to cinema cameras. Through strong marketing and strategic global distribution, Sony connects with customers everywhere. After the sale, Sony service teams ensure long-term customer satisfaction, especially for connected devices like gaming consoles and online services. Using the resource-based view framework, Sony's tangible resources include world-class manufacturing plants, physical products like PlayStations, cameras, and TVs, and strong financial reserves. Their intangible resources are even more valuable, such as brand loyalty, patented technologies, content creation skills, and deep experience across gaming, music, and film. These intangible assets are what truly set Sony apart from competitors. Sony's different business divisions are at different points in the industry life cycle. Their gaming and entertainment divisions are mature, where competition is fierce, but profits are steady. Newer initiatives like electric vehicles and AI-based products are in early stages. The strategic implication is clear. Sony must defend its leadership in mature markets while aggressively investing in innovation to fuel future growth. Sony has learned valuable lessons from past leadership mistakes. For example, during the early smartphone boom, Sony was slow to adapt, costing them market share to companies like Apple and Samsung. Today, Sony places greater emphasis on flexibility, empowering individual business units to make faster decisions and encouraging a more innovative, risk-taking culture throughout the company. Sony is actively seeking entrepreneurial opportunities in new and exciting areas. One major move is the launch of Sony Honda Mobility, which will develop electric cars infused with Sony's strength in imaging, entertainment, and AI. Sony is also expanding into virtual reality with the launch of PlayStation VR 2, capturing the future of immersive entertainment. Their investments reflect a strong commitment to long-term entrepreneurial innovation. Sony is also strongly committed to ethical operations. They aim for carbon neutrality across all their business activities by 2040. They emphasize fair labor practices across their global supply chains, prioritize consumer data privacy, and invest in responsible AI research. These efforts help Sony build long term trust with customers, partners, and regulators across the world. Innovation fuels Sony's revenue and profit growth. They constantly push boundaries in product innovation. Examples include the PlayStation 5's groundbreaking features like industry leading camera sensors. They also innovate through business models like expanding cloud game services and developing more digital subscription platforms. Continuous R&D investment across entertainment, health tech, AI sectors ensures Sony remains a global innovation leader. As a consultant, I would recommend that Sony continue expanding its leadership in gaming and entertainment, while heavily investing in next generation growth areas like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and electric mobility. Building stronger subscription based ecosystems like PlayStation Plus and integrating sustainability more deeply into all products will help Sony maintain relevance and profitability in a fast changing global market. Here are the sources I used to develop this presentation. Thank you so much for listening, and I'm happy to take any questions that you may have.